So this is the start screen when you open AutoCAD Mechanical 2024. So to start with, if you have any files or some files which you have already worked on and saved, then you can click on open, right? And then your file explorer will open for you, and then wherever you save your file to, you can get access to them. Now for us as new users, you can click on new. Now within new, if you were to click on this drop down, you would have browse templates, and you can select from or choose from various templates. Now we also have recent files in this area. So if we had created some files and saved them, they would appear in this area and you could get access to them. So this basically is the welcome screen.